Then the next thing is food pipe or esophagus. After the food is swallowed, it moves down through esophagus to the stomach. It runs along the throat and the chest. The esophagus contracts and relaxes in the rhythmic fashion to facilitate the forward movement of food. Then we see digestion in small intestine. So the small intestine is a long, coiled, narrow tube, about 6 meter to 7 meter in length below the stomach. It is below the stomach, small intestine. It is the longest organ of the body. Small intestine is the longest organ of the body. Digestion of all the components of food gets completed here. That means digestion completed. Most of the digestion process completed here in the small intestine, and the end product are ready for absorption. After that, the end product is ready to absorption. Here, the partially digested food get mixed with digestive juices secreted from the pancreas and the liver. The liver is the largest gland of the body. Liver is the largest gland of the body, and small intestine is the longest organ of the body. One is the gland and second one is the organ. So after that, liver is the largest gland of the body. It secretes bile juices that stored in the gallbladder. The bile helps in the fats, and pancreatic juice secreted by the pancreas changes carbohydrate, fats and protein into simpler form. Carbohydrates break into glucose, fats into fatty acid, and glycerol and proteins into amino acid. The nutrients present in the digested foods are then absorbed by the finger-like projections called villi. On the inner wall of the small intestine, then where villi is in the inner wall of the small intestine, the villi increases the surface area for absorption. Villi contains blood vessels. That means villi has blood vessels. And if the digested food passes through the thin walls of these blood vessels and enters the bloodstream, that means through the villi, absorption happens in the through the villi. The absorption of various nutrients present in the digested food into the blood stream through membranes is called absorption. The absorbed nutrients are then taken to the cell of the body. Then after that, cell will take the nutrients from the body if ever food is, that means digested food is absorbed. In the cell, glucose breaks down into carbon dioxide. That means glucose after that breaks into carbon dioxide and water. With the help of oxygen, energy is released. With the help of oxygen, we take oxygen. Then through the oxygen, by using the oxygen, glucose breaks down into carbon dioxide and water with the help of oxygen. And what will happen? The energy is released because we need energy. So the energy is most important thing for doing any type of work. The incorporation of the bile absorbed nutrients into the cell components to get energy is called assimilation. The undigested food from the small intestine to the large intestine. Then undigested food goes, that means from a small intestine to large intestine. What happened in the large intestine? The large intestine removes most of the water from the waste by absorption. The almost solid waste is then sent to the rectum. This wet solid waste called feces leaves the body through anus. This process of throwing the solid waste out of the body is called excision.